Welcome back to our video. Today, we're diving into two incredibly useful SQL functions, upper and lower. These functions help format text, making your data cleaner and easier to work with. Let's explore how they work with real examples. First of all, in this video, we can check what we have in the employee table. For this, we can write the SQL as select star from employee. It's a simple query. Let's execute this query once. As you can see, we have results for the employee table. It's a simple table, we have nothing new. Questions are rising in my mind. What are these, how I am using these functions? And what purpose does this function solve? Let's understand these functions. First, we will talk about the upper function, which converts text to uppercase. This is useful for making data consistent. Next, we have a lower function that will convert text to lowercase, and this is perfect for case-insensitive comparisons. These functions are commonly used in search engines, reports, and standardizing user input. We can start working with the upper function. Let's do a practical for this. By selecting the email column simply, then we can use the upper function as email upper. Next, we have lower function as email, lower from employees. This should be the first column email, as normally then we are making the email as in capital case with upper function and email as in lowercase in next column. Let's execute this query. Once, you can see we have 3 columns in the result set. And we can see one of our column in the capital letters and one in lower letters. Simple, right? Next, we should what these functions are. What are split, part, and replace functions? Our first function is split part. This splits a string into email based on a separator and is useful for handling email name and domain name. We can write this query as select email, split underscore part on email as first parameter, then the delimiter as at the rate, next parameter 2 which gets as the domain name. And we can define the name of the column as domain from employees. Now, let's execute this query. Now we can see we have 2 columns in the result set, where we have email address, and in second as domain, where we have second part of the email address. And that's how you use the split part function in SQL. These functions are perfect for transforming messy data into clean and structured formats. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.